Hello, today we're gonna make a paper airplane. And so first, you're going to fold it in half, hamburger style. And we're gonna crease it really well. And because we always want a good crease, and it's very well matched up. And then we're gonna unfold it. And we are going to take the top two corners. And we are going to fold them in and crease them really well and make sure they're very matched up. And once we've done that, we're going to fold the tip into the middle. And then we are going to bring the two corners and the two corners from the top fold. And you're going to bring them into the middle. And then, once we've done that, we are going to fold it together. And it should end up being a paper airplane.